Hello everyone, welcome to Phreak. So today we are going to discuss about BBSCUTE Vulnhub. Okay, so you can see this description. Okay, you can read. These are all the things. Then it's just like 672 MB. Okay, it's already compressed file, which is GZ. You can download it. Then if you download this OVA file, you can import your VirtualBox. Okay, I'm already installed. This is Linux operating system is Debian flavor. Okay, okay, fine. Then this network. Then you can read this networking like DHCP service already enabled. Then IP address also already allocated. Okay, fine. But this level you can see it's easy to intermediate, but it's not an intermediate level, it's very easy level. Okay, then two flags are here in this machine. One is user flag and another one is root flag. Okay, then you can read all the description and author, blah blah blah. Fine, so let's get started. Okay, first I need a target IP address. So I'm using r-python scan -l command. Okay, just hit enter. So I got the target mission IP, which is CUTE mission IP. Okay, so we can scan this particular network, like which service are enabled and which ports are using this mission. Okay, I don't know exactly, so just I am using nmap command, which is network map command, network map tool, and I'm using aggressive scan and full port scan also, as well as you can type your target mission IP, then hit enter. This is a syntax for nmap command. Okay, it's very easy. So it will take some few minutes, just wait guys. Yeah, I got the nmap result. So this particular target mission have running with ss cuts port 22. Then http already running in this particular mission. It's by default port 80 and 88 also here. It's running in engines 1.14.2. Okay, then okay, 110 and 995 ports also available. Fine, so just I can enumerate to port 80. So I copy that target mission IP address, then go to web browser and paste it here. Okay, it's by default Apache server. Then now I'm going to directory enumeration. Okay, so I'm using the tool and http:// and target mission IP. Okay, this is the URL, this syntax, and hit enter. We will get a directory brute forcing, and we will get the directories, and if any files here, it will show automatically. Okay, just control plus C to terminate here the process. And yeah, and we get uploads directory and skins directory and manual directory, then libs directory and index.php file and by default index.html file. Okay, so first let me open index.php file. Okay, just I'll search index.php file, just index.php. Okay, so this is the login page. Okay, I don't know any username and password. Then I can try to another option, which is register. Okay, just to create a new account. I'm going to create a new account like a demo, and nickname is like testing. Okay, password, anything, you can give any password. Okay, just I give example. Okay, email at email.com. See, it asking captcha code, but I can't able to see any captcha images. Okay, just right click and go to inspect element, and yeah, then click this arrow button, and just you can click refresh captcha option. Okay, after you will get yeah, after you will get src, I mean source parameter. Then I copy this source. After copy it, then I will put this place. Okay, then I remove this double quotes and src equal. Okay, just this is one of the directory, I think. So just hit enter. It's very interesting of this game. Okay, we will get the captcha code. Just you can select and control plus C to copy operation. Go to register page, and again give your password. Okay, and again I type confirm password. Fine. Now I paste it here, that captcha code, and give register option. Okay, already this username exists, so I'm giving demo1. Fine. Okay, fine. Again I'll give inspect element. Okay, then copy this code. Just hit enter. Again copy this captcha code, and go to again register page, and give again password. Okay, Gmail also I will change like demo test at email.com, and captcha code I will paste it here and give register option. Fine. So now I click on this personal option. Okay, as you can see, you can give any profile picture like avatar. Okay, just give browse button, and okay, just I select php payload. Okay, and then click on open, and save changes. See, I got the error. then give OK and click this, and now I will change, okay, just ls, okay, then I can change that extension like mv space dot png. Okay, I can change image format, then I can upload, I try to upload this image. Okay, just to save changes. See, again I getting error. I have another idea, so that try to do that way. Okay, just I will change again that name. So again I will change png to php file. Okay, give ls, fine. So now I will change this payload option. Okay, just before, so before I will check my attacker machine, which is my parrot machine IP address. Just I check it. Okay, this is 192.168.1.19. Fine, and just nano space rev.php. Okay, this is the reverse connection payload. My IP is already set 192.168.1.19 and my port number is 1234. Okay, I have another idea, so I try to execute this option. GIF 89 semicolon and hit enter, then control X Y enter. So I try to set up listener. So I give NC, which is netcat option, and -nlvp. Then my port number is 1234. Perfect. Then I will give browse input, and then I will select a reverse payload and give open, save changes. Yeah, finally we got the success message. Then I can trigger that image. So give right click option, and you can give view image. Then you can edit this URL. Okay, just you can put your target machine IP 192.168.1.21. This is my target machine IP. Then give enter. See, now it's triggered. Okay, finally we got the shell, but it's not a proper shell. Then we need a TTY shell. So I can use Python span shell, Python space -c import pty semicolon pty dot span. Okay, span /bin /bash. Okay, just hit enter. Yeah, finally we got the proper bash shell. Okay, then give clear command. Oops, my bad. Okay, export export term equal xterm. Okay, now try to clear command. Okay, fine. Then I give who am I. See, I am entered in www data. So if any users are there, I don't know exactly. So give ls command. I mean slash directory. So I change that home directory. Plus, see, I have another user which is Fox. Okay, I try to change the directory Fox. Then ls cat user.txt. This is the user flag, and I try to change this directory. See, we got the permission denied. So clear and give sudo -l option. Excellent. We can root privilege escalation without password. Okay, then I'm using this command, which is hsping3 binary. So just copy and paste it here, then hit enter. Yeah, finally we got the another prompt. So I'm using my command. Perfect. Finally, I entered in a root user. So give ls. Okay, cd space slash root and ls success. Okay, we got the root flag. Yeah, this is the root flag. If you're interested, you can try to solve this mission. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.